guys, I found all the secrets. Boom! Chainsaw Man test in place. Well, you don't believe it, but this is real. This very real. I walk on the top, and then you will see that ghost, and then wait 10 seconds flight, and then it will spawn some words on the top of your wand, then it will spawn a church and see out the window. Something is there, is it? Yeah, that's yeah, like if you subscribe, see ya. Boom. Oh yeah, and one last thing. If you look up and there's lights, then don't stay there 10 seconds. Or if not, you can't stay. You can just do once. Yeah, that's it. So bye.